this video, I'll get you introduced to our new Bluetooth breakout board followed with a demo. Let me introduce to our new Bluetooth breakout board called as BlueB. BlueB is a simple breakout board for HC05 Bluetooth module. HC05 Bluetooth serial module is used for converting serial port to Bluetooth. This module has two modes called master and slave. The master and slave mode can be changed by AT commands. After power on, you can enter the AT mode by triggering key pin with high level. In master mode, we can pair with cell phone, computer adapters and slave devices. There is only point-to-point communication. The best part of BlueB is it is very compact and the size is 2.5 into 3 centimeters only. We can easily interface BlueB with chipkit, Arduino, Beaglebone and many more microcontrollers and microprocessors. Here we have already powered the circuit with a 12-volt battery which is driven by driver circuit, and we will now control the board using the Bluetooth connection that is already being paired with our Android device and our Android application. When I click front, the board goes front. When I click back, the board comes back. When I say left, it goes left. When I say right, it goes right. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please contact us on www.tenettech.com.